The process is very simple and you will be up and running in minutes. First, look up NotebookLM. Sign up with your Google account and enter your password. After that, you're in. First, you'll begin by creating your first notebook. Think of a notebook like a digital folder that stores all of your materials on one topic. From the NotebookLM home screen, just click New Notebook. Next, it's time to upload a document. This is where NotebookLM shines. You can upload PDFs, Google Docs, or text files, whatever you're working with. Simply click Add Source, upload your information. Then we can name your notebook. Here, for example, loan application. Once your document is uploaded, NotebookLM will analyze your document, give summaries, insights, and even answers based on your material. From here, we can ask it questions about your document. For this example, what is the overall loan repayment? Another example, can you summarize this in 5 lines? Quick, easy information when needed. Finally, we will look at the studio on the right-hand side. You can see 6 tools of NotebookLM: audio, video, mind map, reports, quizzes, and flashcards. These functions lets you create many versions of your uploaded documents, including creating podcasts and quizzes. Let's try get an audio summary. This feature turns your written content into a spoken overview, perfect for listening while you're commuting or multitasking. Just open your notebook, choose Audio Overview, and NotebookLM will create a clear, human-sounding summary of your key points. So by creating a notebook, adding your documents, and listening to an audio summary, you've already experienced the main ways NotebookLM helps you learn and work faster.